Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for near-shore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 3:15 p.m. At 1:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Midway Airport, or 11 nautical miles west of 31st Street Harbor, with speeds at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KWO 30. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., multiple severe thunderstorms were located over New Lenox, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Roseland, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, Park Forest, Homewood, Alsip, Madison, Mokina, and Frankfort. This includes University of St. Francis, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Shanahan State Park, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KWO 39 Chicago. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station